Welcome back to another video today, everybody. Today we're going to be installing the first piece of a chassis brace on the STI here. It's the Cusco lower control arm bar brace, bar or brace, whatever you want to call it. And it's kind of funny because I've hit elite poser status on a street STI with chassis bracing. So yeah, race car, right? The brace is supposed to help, of course, tighten the chassis, more steering response, better handling. It mounts on the control arm, so it braces them together. So it's kind of funny how I got this part though, is I have a list of help dad buy car parts on the fridge, and it was a Father's Day gift, so I really appreciate the kids getting that for me. So it's just a pretty fun little thing. It's a running joke in the house. Keep a parts list on the fridge, and when holidays come around, it's pretty easy to see what I want. We'll get over here to the bench so you can see what comes in the box and what the part looks like overall. Apologize for the lawnmower in the background. Neighbors wearing it out over there. Anyway, there's your bar. It comes with the sticker. Yeah, it's nice and blue. Everybody likes that blue collar. Everything else I've got is Cusco, so it just makes sense. I'm gonna stick with that brand and go from there. I like the blue and silver STI. Is kind of my theme right now. It's kind of funny that the directions say that it must only be used in Japan and no other country. It's kind of odd. So, but the only thing it takes to install this is a 17mm box end or socket. I'm gonna use the impact, but that's really about all it takes to install. It's pretty simple installation, probably about 10 minutes tops, but nothing has to be taken off the car, just a couple of bolts taken out, this put in and bolted back up. So we'll get underneath the car here. As you can see, I already got it squared away on jack stands. I'll get the camera set up and let you all see how to install it. So as far as where this is actually going to mount, I know I may have said earlier the rear of the control arm, but it's not the rear, it's the back of the control arm on the side right here. But as you can see, it's just a 17mm bolt that runs through here. Take this out and put the bar up here, and the same on the other side. So we'll take this out, put the bar and the brace over, bolt it back together. So here we go. So there's the bar after it's installed. It's a pretty straightforward installation. There's really no way to get it oriented any other way other than the way it's supposed to go. Other than that, so let's say it's just two 17mm nuts and bolts. Back them out on the control arms and put the bar in place. So that finishes up the lower control arm bar brace install from Cusco on the STI here. Now, jury's going to be out on whether or not you can actually tell a difference in this modification or not. I haven't took it out and test drove it yet. I'm going to wait until I get some more brace modifications. Like I said, hit elite poser status. Street car with chassis bracing. Who would ever thought it? But anyways, other than that, if you liked the video, please leave a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.